Welcome back to Air Fryer February 2025. If you love French toast, but hate the mess and effort it takes for stovetop cooking, you'll love this video. We're taking French toast to a whole new level. Crispy, golden, and perfectly cooked in the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. And don't forget, Typhur's the company sponsoring our giveaway for Air Fryer February 2025. So don't forget to watch every video and comment on each video. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be the lucky winner of a Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. I mean, it's the top of the line air fryer. Now, this is a fantastic collaboration with some amazing creators. We have Linda from Lou Creates, another Linda from Linda's Pantry, Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen, Renee at Pike Creek Farm, Angie, the inquisitive farm wife, and Remy from Remy's World. Be sure to watch their videos and subscribe to their channels. Links down below. So you might ask, why make French toast in an air fryer? And I say, why not? You know, usual traditional methods, you got a pan full of butter, right? So it is adding extra calories and not as healthy of an alternative, although French toast, period, I would say, is probably not the most healthiest alternative. Typhur Dome 2 takes it a step further. It has innovative technology where there is a heating coil on top and another one on the bottom. And you can actually use it as a griddle. Then you have precise heat on the top and bottom for perfect French toast every single time. This way, you don't have to worry about soggy French toast. Instead, you get a quicker, cleaner, and flawless results every time using the Typhur Dome air fryer. But you can try this in your air fryer at home too. Now, this is a little variation on the recipe shown on the Typhur website. Yes, it has, I believe, 50 different recipes on their website that you can use. So it's a great resource. And the original recipe calls for brioche bread, but hey, didn't have any. But I did have this wonderful cinnamon raisin bread, and I think that will add even more flavor and more sweetness in every single bite. So it just has a few simple ingredients and you have the perfectly spiced French toast for breakfast or brunch. Now we just need to mix together our ingredients for the batter. We've got 3 eggs from my lovely chickens. I have one that molted late and is still actually laying even though it's the short days. Much appreciated. Now we're putting in a cup of heavy whipping cream and a cup of whole milk. Yeah, this is going to be rich. 1/4 a cup sugar. And then we want a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Don't want to overpower it there. Okay. And then a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. Now we're just going to mix this up until we get a little bit more of a batter. Get that cinnamon all mixed in. Get the eggs broken up. Getting better. Oh boy, we can smell that cinnamon. It smells really good. And while it's soaking, preheat 430 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to soak the bread for a half a minute to a minute. We don't want it to get soggy. Now you just lightly spray your tray and you're ready to cook. Want to give them room? Oh, hear that hot? Like that. Maybe this one like that. Perfect. So you'll notice I'm coating each slice with butter after I put it in the tray. Why? Because I forgot to add the 3 tablespoons of butter to the custard itself. So I'm just doing it this way. You don't have to. So we want them at 4:30 and we want them for 4 minutes. Then we're going to turn them over. Here we go. Oh, and I have to insert, if you are ready to up your air fryer game, then purchase a Typhur Dome 2. You will not be disappointed. Now, I love the original Typhur Dome. I still love it. But what we call its big brother, it's even more fantastic. And right now, I have a 10% off discount code. You can get it below or in the pinned comment. And I urge you, purchase this air fryer. You will not be disappointed. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I mean, how great is that? 4 minutes is up. Okay, let's take these out and flip them. Nice and crispy. And we got one more to do. Okay, now I'm just going to put a little more butter on the top. There we go. Back in the air fryer for 4 minutes. Okay, we're done. Doesn't that look good? Let's dish up one. Okay, let's put a little powdered sugar on top, right? Now, at this point, you can keep it like that. Add some fruit, add some honey. But of course, I'm a traditionalist. We add some maple syrup. Well, it came out a little bit more than I wanted, but gosh, I love maple syrup. Now, our taste test. Bite out of it. Nice and crispy edges. Custardy inside. There you go. Want to see it up close? Rub in a little syrup. Nice crunch on the edge. Maple syrupy, but you can still taste the cinnamon. This is really, really good. And so easy. You know, it's so easy, you might find yourself making it every weekend. Now, I have leftover batter, so I'm going to make some more French toast slices. But there's no way my husband and I can even eat these 4, and nor should we try. So I'm going to make them up, flash freeze them, put them in bags, probably vacuum pack them, and put them in my freezer. And then whenever we want a quick breakfast, you know, like in 5 or 6 minutes, take it out of the freezer, pop it into our Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, and we have a warm, delicious breakfast. So I want to thank Typhur for sponsoring the giveaway and donating a Typhur Dome 2. I mean, this is the Cadillac of air fryers. It is absolutely fantastic. But now don't forget to enter that giveaway, right? Just watch all the videos and comment, and who knows, you might be the lucky winner. But I have to encourage you, purchase a Typhur Dome 2. It is a wonderful addition to your kitchen appliance. In fact, it will even replace some of your kitchen appliances. And right now I have a 10% discount code. It's in the box below, the description box, and in the pinned comment. So now is the best time to buy the brand new Typhur Dome 2. Hey, and before we go, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss a single Air Fryer February 2025 video. I mean, the whole collab is just packed with some amazing creators and fantastic recipes. Be sure to check out the playlist below of past Air Fryer Februaries. Now I gotta ask, what's your favorite breakfast that you make in your air fryer? Comment below. There's so much more air fryer magic to discover. So see you in the next video.